Mm-hmm.
Hi, my name is Pratik and I was having a severe back pain. I used to play cricket, so I came to Dr. Saurabh and he treated me really well. And now I'm feeling really like 80% is recovered in the first go. So I'm just hoping for the next setting I'll be 100% sure. It was a great effort by Dr. Saurabh.